right, court is calling 2026 CR 007192, State versus Fabian Ortega. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state of Texas.
And Kelly Piddle for Mr. Ortega.
And are you Mr. Ortega?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ortega, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Judge. State moves to waive and abandon the punishment enhancement allegation.
No objection.
All right, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate
Yes.
places? You're charged with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Ortega, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, sir.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There is a $600 fine and there are no applications. Did you understand that as your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, any such motions?
No.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no
No
contest?
contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused.
Thank you.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations, or will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're asking the court to follow the plea bargain.
All right. Who is Danielle Butcher to you?
She was ex-girlfriend when.
All righty. The court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 2 years in prison. Give you credit for any time served. There's to be no contact with Danielle Nicole Butcher. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's a $600 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 35, man.
Do you want to spend the rest of your life in prison?
No, man, but sadly, I did make mistakes in my life. I was in the process of getting my life in order this recent time. I held a job for about almost 24 months. It was at Sonic. The Sonic got closed down, and that's kind of where I started wavering down a little bit.
But here's the thing, these
no
are not
excuses.
mistakes though.
Yes, ma'am.
These are choices. You
Yes, ma'am.
can say you made bad choices in your life.
I was.
So when are you going to start making the correct choices? Because otherwise, you know what's going to end up happening to you? And you're at an age where the years start flying by. Next thing you know, birthday is here
Yes, ma'am.
and you're another year older.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't start changing, you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison. And I'm going to tell you what I told people before. Guess what? At the prison, if they say, you know what, this cell or this prison can only hold, hypothetically, let's say they say we can only hold 20,000 people. If we get more than $20,000, if it's just one extra person, we won't be able to fit them in here. It's a fire hazard. It's inhumane. Guess what they're going to say? Well, this one person needs to be in prison. They're going to find a place for you at the prison.
Yes, ma'am.
It always happens.
Yes, ma'am.
And there is no politician who will come out and stand up and say, you know what? There's too much overcrowding. Let's make this more humane. You know why they don't do that? Because citizens who have never toured the prison, never toured the jail, you know what they say? It's not supposed to be a Holiday Inn. It's not supposed to be a picnic.
Yes, ma'am.
People are supposed to suffer at the jail and at the prison because they did wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you continue on this vein, you're going to spend the rest of your life in somebody's prison.
I understand.
Don't be that person, okay?
No, ma'am. Thank you. God bless
All right, good luck to you, okay?
you.
And take advantage of whatever they're offering there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All righty. If y'all can put the other inmate on hold. Okay. For me.
Main heading, Court Files. Main message, experience real courtroom justice unfold. From sentencing hearings and judge rulings to shocking true crime cases, Court Files brings you authentic courtroom moments. Call to action. Subscribe. Turn on notifications. Bottom categories, real cases, judge rulings, sentencing hearings, true crime.